like Ate V, and then si Sir Aga, na sobrang uhusay. Kinakabahan ka pa ba? Dahil alam naman natin kung gaano ka rin kahusay na actress.
Hi, Tito John. Actually, nung pinitch po kasi sa akin nilang direktan yung project, nakakatawa yun. Una nilang ginawa yung sinabi nila yung mga kasama sa film. Tapos after nun, parang nagbibigay sila ng synopsis ng kwento. Hindi pa tapos yung pag-explain nilang director na nun. Sabi ko, directive. Kasi, I mean, kailan ko ba masasabi na nakatrabaho ko silang lahat in one film? So, syempre, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. So, agad-agad tinanggap ko siya. I think, in the beginning, siguro yung first shooting day namin, syempre pumasok ako dumating ako ng set, medyo kabado ako. Kasi nga, bigatin nga yung mga kasama ko. But then, everyone was so welcoming, everyone was so nice, Kuya Agen, si Ate V. So, mawawala talaga yung kaba mo. And I think yung pressure and yung kaba na yun just really turned to parang mas more on just wanted to have a good time and wanted to do my best and of course to enjoy working on the film.